Ever wonder why some people, particularly the super rich, seem to have an uncanny knack for avoiding taxes? Well, let's clear the fog around this phenomenon. Imagine wealth and taxes as two players on a seesaw. On one side, we have taxes, a necessary contribution that fuels the engine of our society, funding everything from health services to schools. On the other side, we have wealth, often accumulated by individuals and corporations who strive to maximize their earnings and minimize their losses. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some of these wealthy players have developed a keen understanding of the tax system, allowing them to legally lighten their tax load while still enjoying the benefits of their wealth. They navigate the intricate labyrinth of tax laws with the precision of a surgeon and the creativity of a master artist. To understand this better, we need to delve into the legal methods used by the wealthy to avoid taxes. So, how do the rich manage to pay so little in taxes? It's not magic, it's strategy. Welcome to the world of legal tax avoidance, where the wealthy play a different game. One of the most common strategies they use is tax havens. These are countries with very low or even zero tax rates, where the rich can store their wealth. Imagine it like a treasure island, but instead of gold and jewels, it's brimming with bank accounts and businesses. It's all perfectly legal, but it means they pay a lot less tax than they would in their home country. Another tactic is the use of trusts. These are legal arrangements where assets are held by one party for the benefit of another. It's like giving your money to a trusted friend to look after, but in a way that you still benefit from it. The assets in a trust are not considered part of an individual's taxable estate, which can significantly reduce or even eliminate a state tax liability. Then we have shell companies. Despite their shady reputation, they are not inherently illegal. A shell company is a business that exists only on paper and has no office and no employees. It's like a ghost, but instead of haunting a house, it haunts the financial world. The rich use these companies to hold assets, which can make their wealth harder to trace and tax. But these strategies aren't stumbled upon by accident. The wealthy employ an army of financial advisors and tax consultants whose sole job is to navigate these complex strategies. They are like the captains and navigators of a ship, guiding their clients through the stormy seas of tax laws and regulations. These methods, while legal, have significant impacts on our society and economy. The tax avoided by the rich could be used to fund public services, like schools and hospitals. When the wealthy pay less, the rest of us end up shouldering more of the burden. It's a high-stakes game of hide and seek, and the prize is a smaller tax bill. But remember, this isn't a guide to tax evasion. That's illegal. This is just a peek behind the curtain of the strategies used by the wealthy to legally reduce their tax obligations. It's not magic, it's strategy. But what does this all mean for the average citizen and for our countries? When the wealthy dodge their fair share of taxes, it's often the middle class and the poor who shoulder the burden. They end up paying more to compensate for the shortfall. Furthermore, this tax avoidance can result in decreased public spending, impacting vital services like healthcare, education, and infrastructure. So while these strategies might be legal, they raise important questions about fairness and responsibility. So, we've unraveled the enigma of how the rich avoid taxes, but the question remains, is it fair? In this video, we've explored the legal maneuvers of tax avoidance and their implications. We've seen how this impacts not just the economy, but also everyday citizens. Let's remember, these practices, although legal, tilt the scales of societal balance. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of wealth and taxes. Remember, knowledge is power. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and let's strive for a fairer society together.